The best oil for diesel engines. Choosing the right lubricant. When it comes to maintaining the performance and longevity of your diesel engine, choosing the right oil is crucial. But with so many options on the market, it can be difficult to know which one is best for your vehicle. In this blog, we'll explore the different types of diesel engine oil and the key factors to consider when making a decision. Types of diesel engine oil. There are three main types of diesel engine oil: mineral oil, semi-synthetic oil, and fully synthetic oil. Mineral oil is made from crude oil and is the most basic type of diesel engine oil. It is typically the least expensive option, but it doesn't provide the same level of protection and performance as the other two options. Semi-synthetic oil is a blend of mineral oil and synthetic oil. It provides better protection and performance than mineral oil, but is still not as effective as fully synthetic oil. Fully synthetic oil is made from a chemical compound and is the most advanced and expensive type of diesel engine oil. It provides the highest level of protection and performance, and is recommended for high-performance diesel engines. Factors to consider when choosing diesel engine oil. API, American Petroleum Institute, rating. The API rating is a symbol that indicates the oil's performance and quality. Look for a diesel engine oil with an API rating of CJ4 or higher, which is designed for use in diesel engines that meet the 2007 and later emission standards. Viscosity. Viscosity refers to the oil's thickness and ability to flow. Look for an oil with a viscosity rating that matches your engine's specifications, as specified in your owner's manual. Additives. Some diesel engine oils contain additives that improve performance and protect against wear and tear. Look for oils with additives such as detergents, dispersants, and anti-wear agents. Compatibility. Make sure to choose an oil that is compatible with your engine and the type of driving you do. For example, some diesel engine oils are designed specifically for high-mileage engines, while others are designed for high-performance engines. Conclusion. Choosing the right diesel engine oil is essential for maintaining the performance and longevity of your vehicle. Consider factors such as API rating, viscosity, additives, and compatibility when making a decision. While fully synthetic oil is the most expensive option, it provides the highest level of protection and performance and is recommended for high-performance diesel engines.